Hi there, and welcome back to the Mobile School Playground. In this video, I will explain to you the Media Scavenger Hunt game, which is played with the Media World panel that you see here next to me on the Mobile School. The Media Scavenger Hunt is a game which will improve the communication skills of the children and which will allow you to increase the media literacy of your target group. Now, what do you need to play this game? You will need 2 copies of the Media World panel, which you can attach to a big magnetic board game. Why do you need 2? Because you will attach them on both sides of the Mobile School. So this game will be played in 2 groups. Moreover, you'll also need bottle caps to attach to the magnetic board. Now let us have a look how to play the game. First, you will gather 2 children or 2 groups of children in front of the Media World panel on both sides of the Mobile School. Then you will give a bottle top to each player or to each group of players. For example, I get a bottle top and I will place my bottle top over here on the magnetic panel. Then my colleague on the other side of the blackboard will start asking questions about my location. You can ask questions, for example, by referring to the different media that you see on the discussion panel. For example, my colleague can ask me, are you reading a newspaper? You see that picture over here. My location is over here, so at this moment I'm not reading a newspaper. After each question, I can also move my bottle top just to the next intersection if I want. So after a question, I can move it over here, and then my colleague can ask another question. For example, are you recording a video at this moment? You see, they're recording a video over here, so I can say yes. I'm recording a video at this moment, which means my colleague found my location and he gets 1 point and he won the game. After this, you can change sides. Then my colleague will place a bottle top on the map and I will need to ask questions to find his or her location on the blackboard. If you want to make the game a little bit more challenging, you can also play the game with a couple of variations. For example, you can prohibit the use of certain keywords like left or right when the team is answering the questions. You can also, for example, limit the number of questions that you can ask to the other team. Or you can add more bottle tops to the game to make it more difficult for one team to find the location of the other team. So, I think you're ready right now to play with the Media World panel. Keep up the great work on the streets and see you next time.